Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit patients' medical history responses and patient's profile. Before we move forward, I want to make sure whoever needs to edit this information has the proper permissions in the platform. To check that they have this permission, we will go to Account on the left-hand side, then on the top right to Staff. I'm going to make sure We Treat Carolyn has this permission, so I'm going to scroll down and Manage medical history responses should be toggled over. Once this is all set, we can navigate back to the good faith exam. It looks like the patient entered in the wrong date of birth. They now have the minor badge, but this is incorrect because this patient is 35 years old. So I will go in and edit the profile. From here, I can type in their actual birthday and then press save. All set. In addition to that, if you move to the medical history, there should also be a pencil next to each medical history response. You will be able to update the question or response with the request from the patient.